Ay nako, summer in the city. Kanya naman sila eh. Napakainit dito. It's sweltering heat. Scorching heat. Basically, sizzling heat. Hi Riva Dumplings. Hi, very cute, very pretty Riva. How are you? Hi Riva. I wish you well. I really like you. I don't really know you, so that's why I want to introduce myself. I'm quite old, very old, but you know, I'm quite very interested. I'm sorry to tell you that. Hi followers. Hi flowers tuloy. Let's go to Kenichi Mart. Kenichi Mart. Japanese grocery. Nag-apply ako dito dati pero sa ibang branch. But let's come on. Thank you. Nakakagaya kasi hindi na lang ako nagdala. Ako ng ampaw kasi yung kinakain ko talaga ay ampaw. Kasi doon ako bumibili sa Chinatown yata, downtown. Kaya may mochi sila, rice cakes. But then, mas gusto ko yung ampaw. Doon ako bumibili sa Hong Kong supermarket sa may Chinatown. Ang dami nilang desserts. Mura na yung Japanese made. Daifuku, pero hindi yan hinahanap ko eh. Daifuku. Mga junk food, pero ewan ko kung tatawagin mo junk food dyan, but hindi talaga ako makain mga ito, pero look at that. Mukhang okay siya, mukhang masarap to. Choco choco. It's all good. It's all treatable, pretty good. Kumanta ng rap ano. Look at this. Oh, ayan oh. What does this product remind us of? Huh? Chestnut, green tea chestnut, red bean. I'll try red bean. It reminds me of something, but let me try it when I get home. Looks good. Of Japan. Wow, check it out, check it out. So happy, look at this. They have an organic miso here. Organic miso. So they have this liquor bomb, milk bomb, whatever that means. Looks cool. Also they got all these Swiss rolls. Kind of donut looking stuff. Oh, eclair, there it is. And they got your favorite Yakult. Actually, let me try this. Go out, you can see this wide array of desserts here. Pastries. Very buttery. It looks buttery to me. That looks very delicious as well. So ayan, meron silang look at that, mentaiko, negi, and they also have hot section here. Very nice, very cool, very clean. What else are you gonna look for? Actually, I'm attracted to this Hokkaido milk flavored bread. What do you think? It looks very special. Try something like this. Let's just try that. So hi, yun lang. Nakita nyo naman. Dito siya sa may 5th Avenue yata ito. Yan, may Stairway Tea. See? Well now. It's an Asian market, particularly Japanese, but I think it's Chinese owned. Well, it doesn't matter because inside is a whole lot of assortment of things, right? go. See you later. We'll go to another store. We will go to wala nyo kung saan pa kundi sa art materials store. Ito tayo sa art store. Somewhere in the city. I think see how it is here? New York City, young and free. Puro building, concrete building. Yan, yan sila. Masakyan. I'm the opposite direction. Please don't follow what I'm doing. I'm trying my best not to be stupid, but you know, we'll see where I'm gonna end up. Okay, not in the sidewalk. I'm not there because it is illegal to actually bike along the sidewalks or on the sidewalks. The opposite direction, but it happens sometimes because I need to go here, somewhere here. So stop. Happy na tayo. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Happy daw. Ang daming tao naka-sundress. Yan tayo sa may 20th Street. Let me go past. In this world of odds and actually tatawid na ako. We're gonna go across here because I'm quite familiar with the maneuvering here. Bram. Dito na tayo. Let's park around here. So parang respite kasi napakainit sa labas. And now here inside. And inside Blick. We'll go to lower level. Yes, I gotta be here, you know? This is a place to be. It's a clearance sale. Skateboard board lang. Hindi ko makita yung brand na hinahanap ko eh. Kasi yan lang yung mga lapis nila. See? Lapis, charcoal. Okay? So, magandang tindahan to eh. Pero hindi ko alam bakit wala naman yung gusto mo. Wala yung hinahanap ko eh. Wala. So, subukan ko na lang to kasi mukhang interesting yung advertising dito. Super fine, free flowing. Wala, parang magugustuhan ko siya. It's by Derwent. They're made in China. Dapat made in India din. Made in China. Kamahalan siya pero hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal ang paggamit nito, gaano kabilis maubos. Ito ang dami nilang inks, archival ink yung iba. Okay, so mura na yun para sa akin. Ito mura na lang. Kasi store branch Blick Art India ink for 59. Chinese brush. Time to have this super cool clearance sales. And then like this you have 90% off this. And I see this a lot here. See how cool that is. And the ends are double, 2 colors. How cool is that? Yeah, so hindi na ako humingi ng bag. So babag ko na lang yan. I-haul mo na lang, diba? Sigurado ko tama ang mga bili ko. Ganyan ako yan. Sigurado. made in Japan. Tastes okay. Tastes great actually. Balance. Dorayaki. Dorayaki. Dorayaki naman, no? May mga pulis dito. Dorayaki. Sarap. Hindi siya matamis, hindi siya mapakula, hindi mapapait, hindi yung balance lang talaga.